You're about to learn how to improve your posture with just a resistance band and 3 exercises. So the idea of these exercises are to improve the muscles on the back of the shoulder that are responsible for pulling the shoulders back. Exercise number 1, we're going to start with looping the band around anything that's solid and not going to move when you pull on it. I'm going to use this spin bike we've got here. You're going to take the slack out of the band and you're just going to move straight across the body. 1, 2, 3. Always trying to keep the elbow as still as possible. Move to the other side. Moving on to exercise number 2. Take the band again, take the slack out of it, and just bring it to the center of your back, right by your tailbone. And again, 10 reps, 3 sets. Other side, alternating the 2. And for the final exercise, exercise number 3, you want to take the band in one hand, take it about halfway, and you're just going to lift it up. The other side. You guessed it, 10 reps, 3 sets. So that's it. Stay consistent for around 2 weeks and you will start to see some changes. Good luck, let me know how you get on, and see you in the next one.